So today we'll deploy the site and make it live. First, it is a best practice to check if there are any console errors or not. So open your developer tool and click the console tab. We got one error over here, and this is a simple one. In header.jsx at line number 43, we have added class instead of class name. So open header.jsx. At line number 43, we can see class is added to font awesome icon. I can see couple of other icons. They are having the same problem. So I will select multiple I space class. We can select them by pressing Ctrl D in your keyboard. Then rename it to class name. Check the preview. An error message is gone for the header. But now we have similar issue for the footer at line number 28. So open footer.jsx. At line number 28, again I will select multiple I space class, then rename it to class name. Check the preview. All error messages are gone. The project is now ready to build. We also need the domain where the website will be hosted. For now, I will use this domain bibeksakya.com/youtube/expresslending. I'm using this domain only to create this tutorial. After finishing the tutorial, I will be deleting this domain so it will no longer be working. However, if you want to check the demo of the website, I have added the link in the description below. Alright, now let's build the project. To do that, we can either use Feed's official website to learn about building and deploying the project, or we can use AI. Let's use ChatGPT for now. Here, I will ask, I want to deploy the site using Feed in this URL. What should I do? It will then give us some steps. In step 1, we need to set the correct base path. So in feed.config.js, we need to add this code. Then we need to build the project using this command. This will create a dist folder for us, which we can upload in our hosting. Rename this dist folder to Express Lending. Then compress this folder to a zip file. Now open your web hosting. Under File Manager, I have created a folder called YouTube. I will upload the zip file here by clicking this upload link. Then drag and drop the zip file. Extract the zip file. Now run the domain and we can see the website. Great. This is the end of this final session. Thank you so much for choosing my YouTube channel to learn this React Bootstrap project, Express Lending. I will see you again in my next video.